Hey guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Wolfgang Pack 1.5 rice cooker. I am going to be cooking just a basic white rice and Puto Maya, which is sweet rice. And thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let's get this video going. I'm gonna be cooking Puto Maya, and I will be cooking the Puto Maya in this tiny rice cooker. This is the blue one. I'll be cooking the regular rice. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and soak the sweet rice first. I'm just gonna cook like at least a cup of Puto Maya. I'm gonna soak it up for 2 hours. Okay, for now, since we have the sweet rice soaking up, set that aside. Let's cook some just plain regular rice. I'm cooking some jasmine, and it's about 1.5 cup, and that's what it is anyways. This small rice cooker can only be filled with 1.5 uncooked rice. So let's go ahead and put this on. Now let's press the cook. It is about 2:40 Arizona time. Will cook about 20 to 25 minutes. So by 5 minutes after 3, this should be cooked by then. So it is now 25 minutes since we started cooking the rice, and it looks like it started to smell so nice. Okay, it's finally cooked, and it's about like 30 minutes to cook 1.5 cup of rice. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, that is a delicious looking rice. There you go, guys. So 1.5 cup of rice to cook in this tiny rice cooker. It'll take 30 minutes. So later we're gonna be cooking the Puto Maya there. I'm gonna be testing the Wolfgang Pack rice cooker. I do have a 1 cup of sweet rice that is already been soaking for 2 hours. I have a tiny coconut cream, and I have a 1/4 cup of sugar and a little bit of ginger. So I'm just gonna testing this, and let's go ahead and mix this up. There we go. And we're gonna add the 165 ml of cream coconut. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap this sugar. I think that is too sweet. I'm not gonna finish that one, and a little bit of ginger. Now let's mix this up. Okay, we are going to put this on the Wolfgang Pack rice cooker. Time is 20 minutes past 8 o'clock, so we're gonna cover that. So it is over 30 minutes, and I see that the Puto Maya is already cooked. I don't even need to be steaming it. So the Wolfgang 1.5 rice cooker, it's so wonderful, you guys. It's so quick, it's shortcut, it's already cooked, and it took only 30 minutes to cook it. It's very basic. You just have to pretty much soak the sweet rice for 2 hours, and then after that you just mix up all the ingredients, which is the sweet rice itself, the sugar, the coconut cream, and the ginger, and you just mix it up and just then put it back to the Wolfgang Pack rice cooker. Turn it on, close the lid, and leave it, and then when you come back 30 minutes later, it's already cooked. You don't even need to be steaming it already. As you can see, I am already dishing it up, and I am so ready to eat. It was so delicious, you guys. I mean, I cannot believe it myself. I have not done this this way, because usually when I cook Puto Maya, I have to cook it first with water, then I have to steam it, then I have to add the coconut and stuff like that. But that was just so much work. This is so easy and quick, and I'm so amazed with the Wolfgang packed rice cooker. And the nice thing about this rice cooker, guys, I can take them anywhere if I go to vacation. It is such a lifesaver, you guys. So So that's it for the day. I hope you do like this video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Ta-ta.